Dear friends, today we'll be starting with the topic of address bus. A collection of wires used to identify a particular location in the memory is called as the address. Now, what do you mean by address? Why does address plays a very, very important role in case of computing? Now, let us consider a very small example, a very layman example. When you are sending a mail and the error comes to you, address invalid, mail not found. What does this error speaks? It says that this is an invalid email address. It means that the electronic presence of that particular person whom you are addressing via mail is not valid. So what do? You rectify the email ID and again you send the mail. Now it becomes the responsibility of the address bus to dispatch all your components into that particular mail, or all your articles what you want to send in the mail. It is the responsibility of the address bus to take those articles and allow them to reach to a particular destination which is being assigned. The other example, let us consider the other example in case of a telecom domain, address bus. You are trying to dial, for example, a number 99988, and this is the number of your friend who is residing somewhere in India. You want to communicate with the number 99988. Will some other person respond to your call, or your friend will respond to your call? It is your friend, because it is the work of the transmission lines to get you connected to the correct person. Or in other words, the information used to describe memory location travels along the address bus. Clearly, the width of the address bus determines maximum possible memory capacity of the system. It is also used to determine the memory capacity, how much big the memory should be, how much small the memory should be, and what should be the size of the particular data is being decided by the address bus. And again, address bus is also unidirectional. The CPU sends address to a particular memory location, and also it is being directly linked with input-output ports that have been directly handled over there. The address bus consists of 16, 20, 24 or more parallel lines. As the parallel line increases, the cost of the address bus also increases drastically. Now let us consider a few examples. Our favorite processor 8086, it uses 20 address bus. The memory allocation for 20 address bus is 1 MB of memory. Then it comes to Pentium. It uses 32 address bus. The memory allocated is 4 GB of memory. Itanium, it uses 64 address bus. The memory allocation is 64 bytes of memory.